Congratulations, Hedera Hashgraph holder. Congratulations again, my viewers, my subscriber. To in those days, my friend, as you can see here, you are also on my eyes now, my friend. As you can see here, this time I already predicate this coin. I already do the technical analysis, but today, my friend, I found just something very special and very new, my friend. So therefore, I will notify you to don't take a risk, my friend, and get a profit. Please be safe from lost. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time there is a 100% chance, my friends, to win a coin were face down. So the holder says, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance to they will pump up, but there is no chance, my friend. So please don't do any mistake to be safe, be safe from the loss. I hope to in upcoming days, my friends, they will give you a lot of money, they will give you a very good profit. So please, if you want to, my friends, just and only wait. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time, if you just and only wait for the end of this month, so there is a chance this is possible to they will give you a profit. So please, this is my advice for all of you to please hold it, otherwise you cannot get a profit like that. So please hold it now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.